Well, my name is Kenneth Fowler, and I'm at Brown College, and I am working in Professor Volker Rudolph's lab. I'm working with zooplankton. Right now, I'm studying the effect of the combination of predators, disease, and other competitors on zooplankton populations.
I'm Amy Eubank. I'm a senior here at Rice, and I'm doing my senior thesis in Dr. Whitney's lab. I'm working on, obviously, a sunflower project. We look at the hybridization between different taxa of sunflowers and the effects that has on pollination by bees and other insects.
My name is Caitlin Gray. I'm a senior at Baker College, and I did research in Heliconius melpomene, a type of tropical butterfly, at UT Austin over the summer with Dr. Larry Gilbert.
Hi, I'm Morgan Black. I'm a senior at Hampton College. I'm 21, and I study sunflower chaff. So, as you can see here, this is some chaff and seeds from a sunflower head, and what I do is I take these little papery things and I measure their traits, and what I'm doing is I'm doing statistical tests to compare chaff traits to things like fitness and to seed predation to study the evolution of this little trait right here. Sunflowers are really interesting, they're agriculturally important, and nobody really knows what they do. So I'm working with some hypotheses and things like that.
It can be very frustrating at times. You know, if you put a lot of hours into something and sometimes it doesn't work at all and you don't get good results, and then that's just a really frustrating experience. But I would definitely say that I would think the things I've done at Rice academically, like lab work, is my favorite. I enjoy it far more than classes.
I really enjoy working in Dr. Whitney's lab because I really like working with plants. I got to grow these guys up from seedlings that we had in the freezer, so it's really cool to me to see, you know, these huge flowers come from little tiny seeds that I grew. Sometimes it's hard because it takes a lot of time to get any results. It's a slow process, but it's really rewarding at the end.
You know, I feel like I was lucky because my advisor had gone through so many graduate students that he pretty much let me do my own thing. Whereas I feel like in a lot of labs, as an undergraduate, the professor's not allowed, or he's hesitant to let undergrads, go full force, so to speak. But I feel when you're in a lab for enough time that you definitely get that positive feedback from that professor, and he'll eventually let you do more.
The high is that we get to do it. I mean, simply I have the freedom to do it. I think the fact that I have my own project, I'm not just someone's kind of slave, and I get to do what I need to do, and I have great support to help me. Everyone's willing to help me. I think as far as lows, it's a big time commitment. It really is. You know, something goes wrong in your experimental design, and you have to start from scratch. So it's hard doing it in a year.